just missed her. I turned the video on and just missed her. Jumping for the fan string. Come on, don't get sidetracked. Do it.
Order 2 medium 2-topping pizzas for just $5.99 each and track them on your favorite device. He's got the cash.
No.
He's got a condo.
Get it.
He's got a career. But that still doesn't mean he gets you.
Jump up there. Get it.
Time to shine.
Oh, she's getting sidetracked. Did you see her jump? There she goes. Oh, that was nothing compared to... Usually she jumps higher. Did you see her jump when you came in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And she jumped again before you got over here. That's just a third little. That was pathetic.
Now she's sidetracked.
I
I got it on video, now she won't do it.
She's wobbling the damn thing around like she has to be hitting it. That's pretty good leap. Oh, shit.
Come on, you're going on 1.5 minutes. Don't worry about her.
She's getting sidetracked. Oh,
Nope.
around the prow.
Ouch!